We're gonna start using the Dream Street palette. This is a collaboration of Kathleen lights with ColourPop. All the products will be listed down below. I don't have them near me by now, but I will have them all in the description box. Here I'm just adding more dimension. I don't want the lid to look brown. I just want it to look more deep. Here, take your time lining the eye. You don't have to do a cat eye, you just have to line basically the eye. But just take your time. If you by any chance messed it up, you just clean it. That's why I didn't put the foundation before. We're gonna do all the eyes, we're gonna do the shadows, then we're going to clean, and then when it's ready, we're going to apply the foundation. Now we're going to line the lower eyelid. I usually use NYX, but I don't know if that happens to you, but for me it fades really quick. Here I'm using the Urban Decay pencil, yeah, that, and it's really black and it stays all day long. Now I'm going to use the Beauty Killer palette from Jeffree Star's Cosmetics. We're going to use the brown shadow, and we're going to start in the lower eyelid and create that smoke eye. Here we're gonna do the same thing, and I changed the brush. That way I can apply more in the eye. Now with a clean blending brush, we're gonna start blending. Mine is kind of clean. Just make sure yours is clean. With this shadow, I'm going to imitate the skin color, and at the same time, I'm going to blend it with the other shadows that we already applied. That way it can look as blended as possible. Now it's time to clean any stain that we can have in the face. If you have any line that is uneven, now is the time to fix it. You can clean and apply more makeup, and then clean again, and then apply more makeup. Here I'm just fixing the inner corners of my eyes. Since I don't line them too much, I got them really watery and the makeup started to fade, so I'm just retouching them. From the Jaclyn Hill palette, we're going to be using the black eyeshadow, and we're going to start blending it in the upper and the lower lid. This palette is a collaboration with Morphe, and it's awesome. It has any color that you would like for any type of look that you would like to make. Then, once you're done applying the color, you're going to start cleaning. here, once I'm done cleaning, I'm not applying any color. I'm just blending what I applied in the crease. I noticed that Kim has a little bit of highlight in her inner corners, so I'm just going to apply a little bit, and I'm just trying to make it look as natural as possible. I applied a little bit of this color, and it's just a dab because it's really intense. If you use more than just a dab, then it's gonna be looking really shiny, and that's not what we want. This product makes an illusion that you are glowing from within, so we're going to be applying it all over the face. And yes, using the same foundation again. I swear I will get better. I need to start buying more foundations, that way I can give you other options and you won't get bored watching me using the same things over and over again. So I know I have to buy another one. I'm gonna be applying a second coat because we have to make it as covered as possible and look kind of perfect, just like Kim did. Now I'm going to have an avatar moment. We're going to start applying the what? The concealer. Sorry, I don't know why, I just forgot the word, but yeah, we're gonna be applying it, and we're going to be covering every not too cute part in our face, every black part below the eye, any line which I'm starting to have, and we're gonna be making it look brighter. And I'm sorry that I'm not using any of her products. I would like to have them, but honestly I think that they bring just not too much, as I saw in some reviews. But when I get more money, I will buy them and I'll be like, oh yeah, I have them, and I can brag about it, and I can start using them on my tutorials. Now, have you tried her perfumes? I have the citrus one and I'm in love with it. I need to repurchase it because mine is almost over. With the banana shade powder in the contouring palette of Anastasia Beverly Hills, we're gonna start highlighting all the points in our face that we would like to make them look brighter, and I'm going to be applying it on the places that I saw that Kim's face was more brighter. I'm gonna be baking just a little bit. First, because I'm not going nowhere. Second, because Kim's skin is not that matte. So I need it because I'm really oily, and I just used it a couple of seconds. I didn't left it as much as you should do it if you would like to make your face as matte as possible. So yeah, just a little bit. Then the part that I'm starting to like the most, because I have a big forehead, as you can see, we're gonna start contouring the forehead, trying to make it smaller, and we're gonna do it with the cheeks. Here I'm making an illusion that I have a sharp cheekbone. Once I do the line, I'm gonna be applying more, well, blending it in the cheek, that way it can look natural. Here I'm making an illusion that I have a bigger lip. I know this because of Carly Bible's tutorials. Now she has a really natural blush, so I'm gonna be using one that is not that intense, and I'm gonna be applying it in my cheeks. And again, just a little bit because hers is really subtle, so we're just gonna add a hint of color but not too much. Then for the lips, we're gonna be using a nude that is just a little bit darker of your tone, and then we're gonna do the ombre lip. You're gonna see that I'm gonna be using my Shape Tape, but you can use another nude color that you can have. Then I applied this ColourPop lipstick, and again, all the names will be listed down below. This one I do know, this is the lip liner of the Iluvsarahii collaboration with ColourPop, and this one is the Curvii one, and we're gonna be doing the effect of the ombre look. So for the gloss, we're gonna be using the Iluvsarahii collaboration with ColourPop again, and we're gonna use the Curvii color. Now I'm gonna be putting the Shape Tape, that way I can have that more intense ombre look. If you do have the ombre look already, you definitely don't have to do this, but this is an option. Then I did set my face and I applied false eyelashes, the same ones that I used in the other videos. So this is the final result. I hope that you like it. Please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what would you like to see next. Let me know if you like it. If you don't, what would you like me to do? And yeah, just stay connected.